Hey there, come on in. Are you ready to have some fun today? Join us. Let's jump in. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in and join us. Come on in and join us. We'll learn a lot today. We'll sing, learn, have lots of fun. There's something special for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in and join us. Come on in and join us. We'll learn a lot today. We'll sing, learn, have lots of fun. There's something special for everyone. We'll learn a lot today. Let's go!
Hi my friends, welcome to Mr. Pete's Playhouse. It's me, Mr. Pete. Let's do an art project creating our very own weekly calendar. Calendar is a group of pages that shows the days, weeks, and months of the year. We use weekly calendars to keep track of each day, and it allows us to see what different events will happen during that week. Each square on the calendar represents one day. A group of 7 days in a row are called a week. Get your supplies ready for Mr. Pete's projects. Today, we are going to be making our very own calendar. The materials that you will need are glue, a safe scissors, a marker, and 2 of your favorite color construction paper. Let's get started. The first thing you will do is choose which color you would like to be the background of your calendar and which color you would like the days of the week to be. My favorite colors are red and yellow. I'm going to choose the red to be the background of my calendar and the yellow to be the days of the week. On the days of the week paper, you're going to make small squares. So we're going to fold it hamburger style, then fold it again, hamburger style, and fold it, and then fold it one more time so it can be a small square. Now we're going to open our paper back up and we're going to cut those squares out. There are 7 days of the week, so we're going to cut 7 squares. Let's count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares. Great job. Now we're going to glue our 7 squares onto our background paper. First, let's make sure that it fits. You want to put them long ways on your paper. 3 on the top. 1, 2, 3. And 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have them on your paper, now you can glue them on. Make sure you leave some room at the top of your paper so that you can write the words weekly calendar. I'm just putting 2 lines of glue on my square. 1 line at the top of the square, 1 line at the bottom of the square. Once you have your squares glued onto your background paper, let it dry for a few minutes. We are now going to write the days of the week. On this calendar, we're going to start with Monday. So Monday should go in the first square. M, O, N, D, A, Y. Then after Monday is Tuesday. T, U, E, S, D, A, Y. Wednesday is a really tricky one. W, E, D, N, E, D, A, Y. Wednesday. spelled kind of weird. Then Thursday, Thursday. Next is Friday, Friday. Then it's the weekend. It's Saturday, Saturday. And then it's Sunday, Sunday. The days of the week calendar: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now you can draw the activities that you do each day. Here are my weekly activities. Monday is basketball. Tuesday is art club. Wednesday, piano lessons. Thursday is book club. Friday, pizza and movies. Saturday, we go to the park. And Sunday, we do our chores. Now you can make your own weekly calendar and decorate it however you'd like to. Great job making your very own weekly calendar. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you finish it. I can't wait to see the weekly calendars that you've created. Are you ready to sing our goodbye song? Great! Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, friends. We had so much fun today. Clap your hands, friends. If you can't wait to join us again, see you soon, friends. I'll leave you with a smile. Say farewell, my friends. We'll see you again next time. We'll see you again next time. Remember to always find music in the noise, to love yourself, and I love you. I'll see you next time on Mr. Pete's Playhouse. Bye!
Hi, my friends. You can now stream the Days of the Week song on your favorite music streaming platforms like Apple Music and Spotify. And also, you can get your very own book, The Adventures of Kari, at www.jpproductions.com. There's so many ways that you can keep up with me. You can find me on Amazon and Roku apps and follow me on my social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Don't forget, you can stream my songs on your favorite music streaming platforms like Apple Music and Spotify. And also, you can get your Mr. Pete's merch at www.jpeteproductions.com. See you soon!